What's going on, traders? I've missed MDXG this morning at this 461 area. Just didn't like the level 2, so I just didn't trade it. But after that, I saw SSC. As you know, or probably know, on a daily we have a breakout, a few green days over the resistance at 404. So was looking at it for retest of this 440 area, but it seemed really heavy, so I tried a little bit short right here at this 425 area and got it. And I'm looking to add at 437, but I'm not sure that we will get it. I want it as close as possible to this 440 area because I'm risking off this 455 area. Alright, that's all for now. Alright, so I want to talk about a few trades that I made today. Traded SSC and GERN. I'm going to talk about GERN at first. It came down from this big run it had in the morning and came down to the first support area that I saw. So I dip bought it and had my stop basically at 511. Wanted to move at least to the 550 area. Couldn't get it, stopped out. SSC, as I told you, I was in a trade. Wanted to risk off the high of day and get in at this 440 area, and as we got to this area, I shorted my starter position and shorted some more at this 440 VWAP area. Got stopped out as it got up, got back down. Thought, alright, they failed the propping. Well, at first I stopped out and I wanted to go long because of this staircase pattern to the highs. Wanted it at support right here, so longed it, got stopped out, was under VWAP, wanted to short basically the failed propping, got in, got stopped out. So I got stopped out 3 times on SSC. Should have saw that was really propped. My fault, but yeah, can't change that. During I just adjusted mini loss, so really nothing. But it's just 3 losses that kind of add up in the end. So yeah, I can't change the fact that I lost 3 times. Just a mistake from my part to play it, and this pattern I like, but it's not an A++ setup. So yeah. Also should have noticed the propping on the daily, these 3 last days. Yeah. Alright, that's it for now. I don't know if I will trade today anymore. Just don't like the action I'm seeing today. And yeah, okay. See you not tomorrow, or maybe I'll do a video tomorrow to talk about a topic or something. But see you on Monday if I don't make a video today. Or yeah, I mean tomorrow. Alright, we are at market close right now. I overtraded extremely today. Well, not extremely, but I really overdid it today. I just kind of could not find the perfect position to enter in the stocks on my shorts. The longs I really nailed today. I didn't lose, I think, on even one of them. Just one that was GERN this morning, and lost 1 time on SSC, as I explained to you right before. But other than that, I just really didn't lose. Yeah, just didn't lose. I'm gonna go through the trades right now. So I talked about this one already, I think. We're gonna talk about Cron maybe. That's what we're gonna do. Let me pull up the chart in my trading platform so that I can show you where I got in and where I got out. Cron came up right here and kind of did the same we did the last time, just quick push down, and then just got completely up. So what I did was I got in short really near the top because I knew, all right, it's gonna probably fake me out, but we are at this $10 area. We are running for the past week, and we're approaching this trend line right here. So what I was thinking was, right, I'm gonna start in short near the top to limit my risk. Right in here, I think I was in, let me check, Cron in at 993, so that's right here, and my stop was basically right over the highs, but I didn't want it to end up there. So got out right here at 97, got long instantly for the pop over 10, got long at $10 and covered right away at 10.06 right here. Then I really thought about it, and I just thought, all right, we kind of popped up, but we're not seeing really follow through, and also the level 2 was kind of heavy. So what I did was I shorted right away again at $10 exactly, like my long position, and I covered into this move down. Bit too soon, I think. Covered at 986. So yeah, covered right in here, I think, as it broke out right there, because I wanted the big move. I'm looking at the big picture, and the big picture is, all right, we just tested 10, we couldn't make it over. We are running for the last week, and we're definitely going to see a red day today or the next week. Not definitely, but we are probably going to do that. So it stopped me out right there, but I was short from right here, so winner for me. Then I saw Cron. What did I do here? So retried it short right there as it spiked, and I thought, all right, if we're gonna spike, we're gonna respect the support line, which we didn't. Got short, got stopped away right away for a small loss. That's, for example, a trade you shouldn't make. That's just a dumb trade. Really no pattern. We are in a range kind of between the highs and between this consolidation right here. So shouldn't have done that, but small loser as well. So then I saw SC again. After it popped, it kind of consolidated the whole day, really. Never thought we would get this move. I knew already it can spike, but the float is really big, as you can see right here. And I think 40% are investors, so we are kind of in this 17 to 20 million share float, which isn't small. It's like it's not a low float anymore, and you need a lot of volume to push a stock like that, or at least that's what you need usually. So I saw it pop up. Let me check. Saw it as it came back down right here. Kind of was looking like it would break down. Got short, spiked back up, stopped out right away. Didn't want to take the risk, which was good. But after that, I saw it at this $5 area, and I thought, all right, all the shorts that are in this range are gonna get squeezed. So I wasn't going to long it if it would have broken right here, because we're too overextended. But as it kind of consolidated right here, and I saw it at 5, just tried to get in at 5.00 because we had a 40,000 share size offer right here, right at 5, and it got shipped away. And as we had, so I think 30,000 of these shares got filled, and it just disappeared. I wanted to get in as the last 100 or 10,000 shares were in, couldn't make it, so I had to chase a bit at 506. Got in, spiked up to 514, which was exactly the top, I think. Got out on the ask. Then that was kind of unlucky because I saw it. So I missed the whole move right back up, but I was watching it, this break right here, and I thought, okay, we're gonna get another pop right here. Got down, got up, got long, exactly 550, but only half the share size I wanted to get filled with. And popped up, and I wanted a move to 75, or I wanted to get filled at 74, couldn't make it, crashed back down, covered right away, 2 cents over my entry. Then I got short as it crashed down right here real hard. I think these were the promoters and the propping people of the company who just dumped the shares. And usually we see a quick bounce and then boom, secondary move. That's why also Modern Rock trades the second bounce and not the first one. So we got the bounce, shorted a bit at 520. So right here, that was too soon, I think, too soon. But sometimes we just drop. So I got in with my starter only, spiked back towards this 540 area, and I got short right in here, I think at 34, so right here, and just waited for a downward move. I didn't want to see higher lows, higher highs. So my stop was going to be at the 650, but I realized that I didn't have any shares more to add, so realized, alright, my risk ratio is just really bad on this one. So as it spiked back up over this area, just stopped out. I didn't want to take the trade because no matter what, if it dropped, I would have covered at 5. So no matter what, I don't have my 2-to-1 risk ratio, and I'd rather cover just after a bad entry, really. Spiked up, couldn't make it further, so I reshorted it. This time I had a good entry, was in from 539, stop right over 550, so 11 cents risk and a profit target of first target 520 and then 5 area, it's the second one. So came back down to 520, covered half at exactly 520 on this spike down. We had, I think, 82,000 bidder, and but wanted to see if we could break down, because we already had, I think, someone sold like 20,000 shares of it right here, and then another 10,000. We spiked back up, tried again, and on this push something really kind of surprising happened, because the bidder got completely filled, but right after he was filled we got a push back up instantly, boom. So as we were kind of in this range right here, I thought, alright, 2 things could happen now. First of all, the proppers still have shares and want to dump it right before market close, or they're gonna try to prop it again and continue next week. We've got 2 reasons for that. First of all, they can pump the stock up even further and then make an offering to raise money for their company. And the second thing could be that they are propping the stock to basically find another group company that could lend them money to continue their activities. That idea was from Mia in the chat, which I really agree with. It could really be. So covered the second half, basically break even at 539. The day today, it's basically a red day as big as my winner day yesterday. I think exactly. I think a few percent away from the win that I had yesterday. The problem is just I overtraded that much, and with share size gonna be big in the red because of it. I think it will probably nearly double my loss today, possibly. And I also got the locates that come with it, so gonna have to pay for that too. So yeah, loser day, really a shame. Maybe I should just have stopped trading after the first loss on SSC this morning, just after this failed attempt to get lower. Just shouldn't have shorted right here mid range. Just bad trading on my part, and yeah, it's a shame because I had one break even day this week, and I had 3 winner days. Ending the week on such a bare note is just a shame, because I really would have liked to have an all green week. Basically, just break even doesn't count for me. It's like not green but not red. So I could say it's an all green week, or it could have been. Alright, that's it for now, for today. As I said, I'm probably gonna make a video tomorrow about another topic, so I'll see you tomorrow.